Check out this 2013 Toyota Venza. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.